What's up, guys? D-TayPyro Maniac, man, with a stash update with new pickups. I'm gonna start with these balls and these artillery shells first. You know, we got donkey balls, and arsenal. I'm gonna do a comparison videos with these two and see which one's lighter. Zombie minion. Got some more donkey balls. Got some more of these all rise shells. The old glory double play, and then add to my color collection. Got Infinity War, Halen, and Nazgul. We got Soups, Hellbound. Now, if anybody likes that crackling sound, that's a good cake to get. Now we got Sun God and Rain God. Which one's your favorite? And we got the 3-inch ball shells. Grab me another box of those. We got down there Dementors, Gambit, the Howling. One of my pyro buddies gave me this. More to the color wraps. Zeppelin, Urikai. I think that's like Urikai. One of these little goodies I had dipped in called Tommy Gun. Got me a little PETA, 16 shots. What's this called? The Iron Giant, 25 shots. Got Gazoo, nice 200 grammer. Got these toys, 25 shots. You got some of these banging rockets. You know, can't go wrong with these. You know, touching, you have to touch them, gotta hear the bang. Zombies Revenge. Love getting those. Neutrinos and radioactive. I had to try one of those out before I even did the video. The Combat Zone, 25 shots. I still got those two left over, but I'm gonna do a video on them later. If you know, you know. I finally got my hands on these two, man. I couldn't pass them up. This bad baby right here. Pyro buddy told me about these. Shout out to Pyro Plug for letting me get this. I mean, he could have got it, but he let me get it instead. You know, shout out to you. Masterpiece. And to everybody's favorite down here, Witch Doc. I got a couple more goodies over here. You know. Double peanut. And shout out to Explosive Pyrotechnics, man, for letting me get this right here. I was trying to get a box, but he said this is the last one, and you know, I thank him for that. So yep, man, new stash, new pickups, man.